Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are enjoying my recipes. So this is Safira's recipes. So these are the very simple recipes that I come out with, which is very easy to be made at home and enjoy it with your families. So before I begin, let me tell you that this is beef. So I've taken about 1 kg beef. I washed it and I completely took off the water from it, and now I'm only going to marinate them with the juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a little bit of salt, and before I apply anything for them, I prick them. You got to prick them so that the meat gets very well marinated. So let's start. So this is a very simple recipe, and I'm sure everybody will be able to do it. So now I'm going to first add in the salt to this meat, 1 tablespoon, and then the ginger garlic paste, and the juice of the 2 lemons. I'm going to mix this and marinate this overnight and then prepare it after 24 hours. And I'm sorry, I missed out one more ingredient, and that was the turmeric, which was about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'm going to mix this now. I have well applied all the ingredients which I mentioned. That is the lemon, the salt, the turmeric, and the ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to close the lid and keep it for marination. My simple beef roast is well marinated. It's already 24 hours are up, and now I'm going to cook it. Now to cook this meat, it may take you about 20 to 30 minutes on low flame, and before that I'm going to heat the pot, add some oil into it, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to roast these 4 chilies, red chilies, 10 to 15 peppercorns, 10 cloves, and 4 1-inch each cinnamon stick. This is a very easy recipe, and you can do it, anyone can do it, and it really comes out awesome. So just try it out, and in the meantime, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment below of how it turned out. Also hit the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming recipes. Now I added 4 tablespoons of oil into the pot, and now I'm going to first roast the spices. All the 3 spices. And now I'm going to roast the red chilies. These spices are actually to give the flavor to the marinated beef. And now I'm going to add in the beef into this pot. I'm going to mix it a little bit and then close the lid and cook it in its own juices. Now I'm going to add in the remaining water which was there, the lemon and this turmeric and the salt which was there balance in the marination, and I'm going to close the lid, turn the flame low and cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes, but I'll keep checking in. I've turned the flame on low heat and closed the lid. 30 minutes are up and my roast is looking yummy. The water, I'm just waiting for the water to dry out, and then it's already soft, good to get it sliced and lay it on the plate. I'm just drying out the water